Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today people, may just have some fun videos showing where the ladies them a deal with in a dancehall. But, you know what I mean, before we get to that one, big up Dexter Daps, because I find out that today I'm birthday, so, you know what I mean, we just want to shout out to Dexter Daps and wish him a happy birthday. But, like I said, I have some video line up to them. I have Spice, look like she go by the Jaguar dealership. We don't know if she in the market for a new car or she was just browsing. But anyway, I like what she video, so I go, oh no. Also, you know, we have Shana China talk about what she want for her birthday, and I think her birthday is in February. I don't want to be mistaken her, you know what I mean? But her birthday will come up soon anyhow. But also we have Shaneil Muir versus our trainer. When I say versus, because him did the music video, right, with her and Denique, so it look like he boss are getting revenge now. We have that video the line up for you here. So I'm gonna show you now where Spice video at the dealership. It's a real quick video, so here goes.
I really enjoy what's about this one. And this are the Discovery. I don't like the shape of that back part there. No, sir. This is crazy. Yeah. That Jaguar is different from my Jaguar, right? That one is different from mine? No, man. I want to go on right to so.
Oh, so me say she there at the Jaguar dealership, but it look like it's just a dealership will sell everything. I don't know. You see what me I say? But like me I say, me like the car them. You see me I say them new car them look stylish and them look great. But you know your Spice I say she not like the shape of one of them and thing. Right? So big up Spice, right? But next people more and show another video with Shana Chin. So let's hear what Shana Chin say she want for her birthday. Here goes.
Public announcement to my friend them. I don't want a hairstyle. I don't want a nails done. I don't want a gift. February 2nd, I only want money. You can buy me one cow, I want goat. If you don't want, I accept chicken too, because I have a farm. Yeah, that's it. I don't want nothing else. Money, goat or cow. Thank you.
So our birthday was February 2nd, so me never wrong after all, right? But that is a message to our friend them. But people, I don't know if she's serious or not, but that's a good pre if she a pre some livestock instead of get a hairstyle or get some, you know what I mean, nails or whatever. But I think it's a good move if she's serious, but she might be playing because, you know, the artist them at on TikTok star right now. I'm going to show you Denny TikTok them in a second. But I have another video more and show you before that where somebody actually did a lip sync to Shensia freestyle. And it bad people, it on point. Unfortunately, I don't know what she name, but I have the video for you, so here goes. Take a look.
Ready, see? Yo. Tell them say a Shen, Y-E-N-G, yang different, no depend pan man fi ascend. Me high-end best, a the best, creme de la creme. Me ting up, no pin up, me no hem. Criminal once hit by many men. Real champion ass, Buju Bantan. Them want see me feel, but that no God's plan. Back on me a hunt ghost like Danny Phantom. Hot gas sauce full of flavor, no mix, me no chase. Me born a Jamaica, no punk, me no afraid. Me paper, me here for no itch, you we paper. Bring shot to you like a waiter. Blessings are run like razor, give praise to me savior. Me sharp like a razor, the well for the age, yeah. Money fear run like retainer, me want rich like Rummage Major. Gas stick to me like when blood clot. Any man my left me can get that back. Me no follow passion boss, I'm a one thing to follow what me lead. We like Dora's map. Me no sell sex, me only sell stocks. This a Shen Yang, you no take tough chat. From my start par with up top dog, my sub fighter, boss my boss.
So next more I show the lady will look like she take over this whole TikTok thing. You see what I say? I see she make 2 videos so far. Well, she make more than that, but she have 2 where me I go show you where, you know what I mean, them add people. And you can tell me if you don't feel so in the comment section. I may talk about the Denique, right? So let's take a look at her videos. Here goes.
Right foot, 2 stomp. Left foot, 2 stomp. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth.
If you take out a loan, you spend 30 years paying it back. But if you rob a bank, you get out in 10 years. Follow me for more financial advice.
Now, the last thing I want to show is Shaneil Muir. Now, her trainer happens to be the man from the music video with her and Denny, the same guy, right? So stop gala say I two of them type, but she alone I get the punishment. People that video, you're going to lose some weight just from watching it, but our personality are going to make it worth it. So here goes.
Wicked. Rapper. Rapper. To the top.
Yo, I'm dying, man.
Good. Let's go. Come in, top yard.
What?
You name where your name. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nice. Nice. 2 more steps. 1, 2. All right, to the left now. To my left. 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice. Nice. Nice and slow. We are down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wallet. 9. Come on. 10 more. Big 10.
Oh.
Big 10. Oh, God, man. Come on. Big 10. Big 10. Big 10. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I do me in the video. Revenge, you know. That's what I time me up and do me in the video. And beat me up. One revenge. 5, 4. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, big leg. No, you can't do that. So you go. So you go, boss. Tomorrow it's gonna be better, I promise you. Your legs never. 5, keep the core tight, going down and coming up. 6, nice. 7, 8, come on, drop it a little bit lower, looking good. Proper, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, come on. 15, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, big one, big one. Nice. All right, put it down now. Squat. I knew what this man did. Jesus Christ! But like that's like it. But like that's like it, but not lie. It fit there. Come in. 6, come on. 7, 8, keep the core tight. 9, that's it. 10, 15 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, what you mean? 9, 10, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. Lock it now, bring them out. Got them down now. Thank you. All right, let's go. Up. 3, 2, 1. I know. You have to know look later. Let's go. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4. Look where tight, tight. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 5 more. 5 more. 4 more. Come on. 1 more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 3. Up. 2. Last one. 1. All right. Bend the knees now. Come on. Touch. 3, 2, 1. Up. Punch. Punch. Come again. Come again. 3, 2, 1. Up. Punch. Punch. 1, 2. That's it. Up. Punch. Come again. Come again. Come again. You see what I mean? Come on, man. Come. 3, 2, 1. No. Up. Up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Up. 3, 2, 1. Punch. Come again. 3, 2, 1. Up. Punch. Good. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2. Come again. Up. 1, 2. Up. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Up. Up. 3, 2, 1. Come on, man. Up, man. Up. Good. Again. Up. Thank you. 5 more. Up. 4 more. Come on. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Up. Good. 3 more. 2 more. 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Up. Last one. Up. Punch. Oh, sounds good. Good. Keep the core tight. Hey, Jimmy Jesus, can you stop no man? Yes, man. Because the farm look good. Come back, man. Shaneil, stop no man. Shaneil, no. Up, straight up. 2, up. 3, good. Up. 4, thank you. Up. 5, big lead. Up. 6, that's it. Up. 7, come on. 8, up. 9, come on. 5 more. Give me 5. 4 more. Nice. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze. Good. 3 more. Big 2. Big 1. Big lead. Sing the song, come on. Sing my favorite song.
Wicked. Wicked. I don't know how I'm so wicked.
Shaneil.
I am so wicked.
Shaneil.
I like OJ wicked.
You have got vibes now, man.
Yeah.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yadi.